Hey everyone, I'm going to make a quick video on compound interest and versus simple interest, just and how to use the formulas and how do they work. So I'm going to make a quick little chart. So hopefully this is helpful. Okay, so we have a couple of situations that they ask for and some keywords that we need. But for say this is simple, and we're just doing regular simple annual interest and compound annual interest. We're not going into quarterly or anything like that. But if they ask for interest, and I'm just going to write interest, then we write I equals P R T. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that if interest I equals P R T. If interest for compound, we know that I is equal to A minus P, but parentheses, find A first, exclamation. That's important. Okay. Um, if let's do this week. This if they ask for the amount, worth, balance, any version of those words, we're looking for A, and for simple interest, that's going to be I plus P, but you're going to find I first. Okay. For compound interest, this is all you do is A is equal to P parentheses 1 plus R raised to the T power. Okay. And then you don't have to do anything there. So a couple of things I'm going to do is give you some keywords that'll help you identify. So for P, you have, and let's go ahead and let me go ahead and make my line so it's nice and neat and not sloppy. Got it. So we got P, R. It's not going to be the straightest lines, but we'll get the job done. Okay. So P, R, T. I guess I need to make one more. A and I. That should get the job done. So let's do this. So P, that's principal. We have your starting money. You have your deposits, invests, initial. These are all words that would let you know that this is P in the word problem. R, you have your percent. Or you have interest rate. Okay, so it seems like it can be confusing, but R is interest rate. Okay, so these shall be there. Time is what it is. You either have years or months. For months, remember, divide by 12 because you have to convert those into years. Okay. For rate, I forgot either. So it should be a decimal. Convert to decimal. If you don't know how to do that, take your number, whatever the percent is, and divide by 100. Okay. For A is going to be your amount, your total, account balance, at the end, any of those words would tell you that that's your amount, that's your A. Okay, let's go on to I. This is interest earned. Okay, anytime it's usually connected to percent. So let's write that too. usually, usually connected to percent. I'm struggling with the spelling. Usually connected to percent or interest rate. So what I mean by that is they will say, oh, he earned $400 at 6%. That's going to be your interest earned. So if they were to give you I and they're asking you to solve for R or anything like that, or solve for a different variable, that would be a hint, right? So a couple other formulas I'll give you to help you out here, and hopefully this is helpful. Once again, you can like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. But I'm going to rearrange the simple interest formula to help you solve for some other things. So here we go. Let's get into it. We know I equals PRT. So let's go. P is equal to I divided by R times T. We have R is equal to I divided by P times T. And we have T, which is equal to I divided by P times R. And then, so that should help you out with simple interest. For compound interest, same concept. P would be equal to A divided by, this is all parentheses, 1 plus R raised to the T power. And then that's about as far as we're going to go with that. So if they needed you to find P, okay? So hopefully these forms are helpful for you. Hopefully this breaks you down. If you're reading word problems and they give you any of these keywords, these should help you identify what you need. Okay, so screenshot this, take a picture of it, write it down, but hopefully this is helpful for you. And be on the lookout for more content. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.